Good afternoon, all of you students. How are you all? I hope you are fine. So you are all now promoted to 6th class. So you enjoyed your holidays along with Corona special holidays. Now it's time to learn at home only through online classes. As you are unable to catch online directly, we are going to give recorded classes to you. So be careful while watching the classes. If you have any doubts, you can ask your class teacher. Class group will be given. You can post your question there. And I hope you know all of you can understand English. Today I stand before you to explain the science subject to you. I am your science teacher this year. So in this 6th class, you are having some chapter-wise lessons. So when you come from 5th to the 6th class, it will not be difficult like that, as you have learnt much subject in the 5th class. In our school only I have gone through your books. So it will not be difficult to you learn the 6th class subject. Understand? But so the syllabus will be little more than this than the 5th class. So you have to do hard work, isn't it? Everybody should listen this video, should understand this class and give your best in output. Understand? So what's my name, you know? My name is Nagasudha, science teacher. So in this 6th class, the these lessons are starting from first chapter, our food. What is that? Our food. So in this is a common why this our food has come to the first chapter, and in 7th also you are having this same lesson. Understand? So in this chapter, you're going to it's very easy and simple chapter. You're going to learn what you are eating. Why do you eat? First of all, to survive. I mean to live. Isn't it? After living, how you live? With your energy. So one thing I want you to explain, that while you are listening the video class, just not only in the mobile, I wish you to keep the book along with you, and I ask you to write whatever the teacher has written on the board. Understand? Now, let us see. The food we eat is to give energy, and that energy is to live. After living, we will do the certain work, isn't it? So, all of you, do we have necessary to eat, to take food? Yes or not? Anybody, can you live without eating food? It's impossible, isn't it? So we have to take food. How many times you will take? Anybody 6 times, 8 times like that? Of course it should not be like that. 3 times a day: morning breakfast, lunch, evening dinner or supper. In the break time, in the middle, you'll be having the food in the form of some snacks. Understand? Now, so in this food, I'm going to explain you what are the difficult words you will face in this lesson. So you know all these words, very easy, simple words. So but let us brush up that 6th class words. So what is the first one? Favorite. So while you are learning the words, you must read with the spellings. Understand? So what are the words you are having in your textbook? I am going to give here. Just see once. Borugulu. Borugulu. Favorite. Now, components. Components special occasions. Special occasions. We'll have some special food items during special occasion. When do you have special occasion? While you're having festival, or while anybody come to our house, or while we are having any occasions like marriage party, birthday parties, etc. Isn't it? Now special occasions. Now next word, biryani. Most of you like biryani or not? So learn this spelling, biryani. Purchase. Purchase means to buy. Purchase means to buy. So when you come to the school, we will revise all this, but not like a lesson, remember. Next, turmeric powder. Turmeric powder we use for cooking. Roosters. What is that? Roosters. Now next, cardamom. 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 Next, cinnamon. See this pronunciation? Dalchini chakka. Cardamom yalukalu in Telugu. This one dalchini. So spicy items, condiments you are going to come across in this lesson. So I am giving out these difficult words. Understand? Now, Sugandha Dravyalu. What is that? Sugandha Dravyalu. Dravyalu means the substances or syrups which give a sweet fragrance smell. Understand? So next still 7 words are there. I hope you will write down in the book. Let us see the next word. 13th up to 13th I gave. Next, condiments. Condiments. These are not spices including badam, cashew nuts, etc. Fermentation. What is next? Fermentation. Deep frying. Deep frying. Deep frying. Chop. This word you will use when you are cutting the vegetables. You should use the word chop instead of cut them. Or understand? Preserving. Preserving. Next word is preserving. Sugar syrup. Sugar syrup. The last word is manufacturing date. Manufacturing date. So I have written here 20 words which are somewhat difficult, not the most difficult, but you should go across these words by sitting at home, all of you. Read this. Understand? Now, so what is there in the lesson? Let us go through this. What are the food items? You know, come on, tell me anybody. Different food items. Your science teacher will be very much impressed when you come to the school if you write all these items, all these things in the notes and come and show to your teacher. Understand? Now, what are the different food items we will have daily? So, I'll get the answer like that. Idli, chapati. Yes. The lesson is about all the food we eat during our daily life. So, idli, chapati, rasam, sambar. Tell me some sweets. Payasam, jalebi. Still, rasagulla. If you are here, you can give the answer on behalf morning we will finish all our things before we do breakfast, and after that we get ready to eat, isn't it? In that, different people will prefer different dishes, isn't it? So those are the food items. So why do we have to here in this you have to learn different food items and preparation of upma and how to prepare the biryani, how when your mother is preparing the food items, food materials, how some people will help their parents in preparing. You will be learning in the class. Understand? Now let us see. Now these are the different food items. Here, here, let us see the first activity as a homework I want to give. In the 6th class textbook, I have seen the 5th class activities also there, but it is different from 5th class. So the lesson will be included as activities, activity 1, activity 2, activity 3, like that. So in the first activity 1, they asked here, prepare your wished food items. Wished list of, prepare a list of your favorite food items. Understand? Or it's my activity or textbook activity, no problem. I have given here my list, imagining that you are in the class and I am teaching. So these are all I have given my list. So after sitting at home, you should prepare this list of food items. What is your favorite? Understand? Now see the next activity. And Srinivas, in the textbook, when finding variety in our food. So next, so this is the activity that you should do. I have written my favorite list. Second, you must, shall I go? Next, second activity is, I'll give the table and you must ask your friends and do this activity. But unfortunately, you're not coming to school, isn't it? So if you have, you'll be having your relatives or nearby friends or whoever maybe. With the help of those, you can fill this table. What is that activity? You know, name of your friend. Name of your friend. What is the food item that your friend will take? You must try it. Did you understand? I'll give example. Vanaja is my friend or your friend. What is her food item daily or whatever she will eat? Idli, chapati, rice, milk, dal, etc. Few items you can write. Understand? Don't mention the list of the food items throughout the year or through the days which she eat. Okay? Rohit. These are all the names of my friends. No need of that. You can list out your friends. So not friends means don't go to their house and ask them. And whoever available nearby your house or in your house or nearby house, you can ask them and list the variety of food items they eat. Understand? Now, did you understand? This is a very simple lesson, our food. Is there any difficult to understand? Nothing. Understand? So this is the activity which the teacher gives to you. Shall I go to the next topic? Now, what are the different food ingredients? What are the activity 1 and what activity 2 I have explained to you. Next. So the different varieties of food, you have to know different food ingredients. Different food ingredients, what they will use. Understand? Different food ingredients. Now, so you eat different varieties of food. So the food which is eaten by you or different varieties of food, does they contain all similar substances? For idli, what is the material you use? For chapati, what is the material we use? And for rice, what is the material we use? For these three, do you use the same substance? No, cannot be, isn't it? So, different food ingredients I'm going to explain today. Now, name of the item, ingredients, name of the substance. This is another thing. So please note down, and while I'm explaining, you can extend your knowledge and conclude as a table here in your notes. Understand? So name of the substance and ingredients. Ingredients. Do you know how to make upma? Here in this lesson, in this 6th class, you are having an essay answer how to make upma on your own. So after learning this, you can prepare this dish and serve to your parents where they feel happy. So upma is the breakfast of most of the people in our place. So what are the ingredients? Not only this, any item you can write. Instead of substance, we can write item. Name of the food item, upma. Suji rava means somebody they call as Bombay rava. Oil, come on, still, oil, still, what are the use, mirchi, water, curry leaves. Here, Telugu word I am using. In your textbook also they given Telugu word. Talimpu, dinusulu. The ingredients which you use, most important. Less quantity, but most important. Understand? So with this, your mother prepares this upma. Can you tell me another ingredient? Next one, payasam. So most of us like payasam, isn't it? So payasam is a sweet dish. Sweet dish with definitely sugar, isn't it? Semia. You can do with rice also, I think. Now, what are the other ingredients? Milk, kismis, elachi, cashew nuts. So, with all these ingredients, you can prepare payasam. So, ask your mother, are these ingredients right for the preparation of payasam or not? So, as you have learnt in your 6th class textbook, so you can aware of preparing the payasam. So, first if you know the ingredients, how to prepare, and after that you can learn how to cook. Is it clear? So, what are the ingredients for payasam? Sugar, semia, milk, kishmis, elachi and cashew nuts. So, these are the somewhat difficult food items. The most easy item which you can prepare at home. Can anyone tell? I have thought now. Come on. That is Maggie. Maggie, you can prepare at home without your mom's help also, isn't it? But only difficulty is lighting the stove. If you know that, anybody can prepare this dish. What is that? Everything is ready in the form of packets. That is Maggie noodles. What is that? So when I used to ask in the class, many of the students, they raise a hand to tell this preparation. Maggi masala, isn't it? This is not there in your textbook, but I have added as Maggi here. As this Maggi's favorite dish of everybody. And water. How to prepare Maggi, you know? Light the stove, heat the dish and pour the water, wait for 2 minutes. After that, add the Maggi along with Maggi masala. Wait for 2 minutes, Maggi will be prepared. Get ready, isn't it? So next step, let me see the next preparation. Biryani. This is also most of the students' favorite dish. Biryani. So in that, this biryani also 8 marks answer to you in the 6th class. So what are the ingredients of biryani? So in my house I use basmati rice. So you can use also normal rice also, isn't it? But rice plays a key role in biryani. Do you know or don't know? Understand? So rice, oil or ghee. Come on, still onions, tomatoes. Next, bay leaf, biryani aku, shazira. So these are all ingredients which are used making biryani. Water and biryani ingredients will be there. That ilachi, cloves. So biryani ingredients will be there. That biryani aku, biryani bubu, biryani, like that. Understand? So these are the common ingredients, etc. If we can add cashew nuts, you can add, or fried onions, you can add some different variety of preparations will be there for this biryani. It's not there that everybody should follow one process only to prepare this biryani. Understand? Now today what we have learned, students, with this biryani, I thought your mouth have wanted to ask your mother to prepare tomorrow or the next time, so that be with your mother and learn the preparation. Understand? Let us conclude this. Today what we have learned in this our food, you have learned different difficult words, and I have given you one activity. I have given you an activity that I ask you to give the names of your friends' favorite food items, isn't it? So now, and what is the next we have learned? What is the next we have learned? I ask your friends what is the food they eat during morning breakfast, lunch and dinner, isn't it? Next activity is I have mentioned the different food items and what are the ingredients, isn't it? In that what you have learnt? Maggi, ayasam, upma, biryani, etc. Understand? Tomorrow I'll explain, in the next class I'll explain what are the different substances tenses used, how the upma is prepared, and how the tomato curry is prepared, and how biryani is prepared. So let us cook those items in the class with the help of you without stove and all. I'll tell you the process. You just convey this message to your parents, and so that you can become expert in cooking from 6th class onwards, but only with the help of your parents. Understand? Now, I hope you have you have understood my explanation today. How is the first class? So don't disturb your parents. See the recorded video properly. Attend to the classes. Okay. Your next class will be conducted by your next subject teacher. Understand? So go through if you have any books of others or your sisters or brothers, go through the textbook, maintain the notes, and while coming to the school you can bring. If any homework is there, we'll mention through the WhatsApp groups are there. So through those we will give you homework. But today's homework what I gave is, see already you have noted I think. So as you have gifted that it is recorded class, you can pause a while and go back and you can go through the homework, isn't it? So I hope you understood the lesson. So let us go to the next class tomorrow. Okay. So different items I'll draw on the board. So and you can listen there.